Hello guys, I am Kagame. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel we cook, we eat, we work out and have lots and lots of fun. So if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button below and click the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. Karibuni sana. Today we are cooking and I want to teach you how to make very delicious chicken wings at the comfort of your home. The first process of cooking our chicken wings, you need to preheat your oven. Preheat it at between 200 to 220 degrees Celsius. Then for around 15 minutes and cook your chicken for 45 minutes. To make the chicken wings, you need the following ingredients. So you need the chicken, whatever amount you want, the chicken wings. Then you need some spices as follows. You need some black pepper, parsley, oregano, some thyme, some vegetable oil, and also soy sauce. Then for the sauce, because we are going to honey glaze our chicken, you need some honey, some tomato sauce, some barbecue sauce, some choma sauce, some soy sauce as well, and you can use brown sugar or molasses. Now we marinate our chicken. Take your chicken in a clean bowl. Then you start adding spices one after the other as you measured them. You add in some parsley, oregano and thyme. Then you add in some chicken cube, ginger and garlic. Then you add in the paprika and the cayenne pepper. Then you add some vegetable oil and soy sauce. Then you add a pinch of salt to taste. Then you start mixing your chicken wings until they are well mixed. After marination, get a clean rack and place your chicken wings one after the other before placing it on the preheated oven to cook.
Think I've been here before. I know that I must have met you in a past life. Got my heart on the floor. Go slow. Keep me falling for you all night. Tell me now, you're the one I've been dreaming about for my whole life. Had you on my mind, oh. Hear the sound of your voice in a crowd, calling my name, yeah, you captivate, oh.
After placing the chicken wings on the rack, put them in the oven and allow them to cook for 45 minutes. So as our chicken is getting ready in the oven, we make our sauce, and this is how I usually make my homemade sauce. So you light the burner and place a clean pan and add in these ingredients, the molasses and the spices. Then honey, you add in some honey, some barbecue sauce together with choma sauce. Then add in some tomato sauce and start stirring slowly and bring your sauce to boil.
Tell me now, you're the one I've been dreaming about for my whole life. Had you on my mind, oh. Hear the sound of your voice in a crowd, calling my name,
Stop that. Stop that. I hear him chatting the noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys, man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize, white girls let it tell me I'm awesome, yeah.
After 45 minutes, our chicken is ready. Remove it carefully from the oven and place it on your work table.
Revolutionary guy let out the streets, locked in a cage, I'ma let out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came for one man, forget my peace. You take the west, I take on the east. I'ma put him in a cage, never let out.
After placing your chicken wings on a work table, take your sauce and a pastry brush and start brushing your chicken wings. Make sure you brush them generously with the sauce on both sides. After brushing your chicken wings on both sides, place them one after the other on a plating surface, then dress them with sesame seeds. And if you don't have sesame seeds, that is quite optional. You can just add any dressing of your choice. Then you can serve the chicken wings with your favorite main dish. You can serve them with fries or even roasted potatoes or any other main meal of your choice. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like. Do not forget to share as well as comment. You can also throw your comments down below on more recipes that you'd love to see on this channel, and I'm going to honor your comments. So see you next time. Bye.